Everyone's photography needs are different, so finding the best DSLR camera on the market can be tricky. But by knowing how you plan to use your camera and what features matter most to you, narrowing down your options becomes much easier. Every DSLR camera has its strengths and weaknesses. There's no perfect model. Whether you're into professional photography, video shooting, or just a hobbyist, there's definitely a camera that suits your needs. As we explore the best DSLR cameras for 2025, we'll look at not only their features, but also which ones fit your budget. If you're ready, I'll introduce the top 5 DSLR cameras, and together we'll figure out which one is the best choice for you. Let's dive in. Number 5. Nikon D3500. Thinking about getting into photography? Or maybe you're looking for a solid DSLR that won't break the bank? Well, the Nikon D3500 might just be the perfect choice for you. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. First off, this little powerhouse delivers impressive raw performance. That means it captures a wide range of details, even in high-contrast scenes. Thanks to its solid dynamic range, you'll get more depth in your photos, keeping both the highlights and shadows in check. And when it comes to sharpness, this thing does not disappoint. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Not quite. Low light performance is decent, but if you crank up the ISO, you might notice some noise creeping in. Nothing too crazy though. With the right lighting and a bit of post-processing, you can still get amazing results. Bottom line, the Nikon D3500 is a fantastic option for beginners or anyone looking for a budget-friendly DSLR. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or just capturing everyday moments, this camera's got your back. Number 4. Fujifilm GFX 102. If you want to take your photography to the next level, you've got to check out the Fujifilm GFX 102. This camera isn't just about high resolution, it gives you a whole new perspective, taking your photography to a whole new level. Its big sensor delivers way more detail and dynamic range compared to the standard 35mm full-frame options. The ergonomic design is much better than its predecessor, giving you a perfect grip and making long shoots much more comfortable. It's not just great for photos, this camera shines in video too, and it holds up in tough outdoor conditions without skipping a beat. With improved autofocus and a bigger viewfinder, the GFX 100 offers an even faster and more responsive experience. But if you're on a bit of a budget, the GFX 100S still delivers similar performance at a more affordable price, and it's still our editor's choice. In the end, the Fujifilm GFX 100 is an excellent choice for photographers who want to play in the big leagues of medium-format cameras. If you're after a truly professional experience, this is the one for you. Number 3. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Thinking about upgrading from your 5 DSLR or an older EOS R system? Well, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II might just be the perfect choice. But is it really a game changer? Let's find out. Speed, precision, and power. With its 45-megapixel sensor and stacked BSI CMOS technology, this camera delivers incredible detail even at high-speed shooting. Plus, the action priority autofocus makes it a dream for sports and action photographers, ensuring you never miss a moment. Video performance, pushing the limits. When it comes to video, the R5 Mark II outperforms many high-resolution competitors. But here's the catch. Eye control autofocus isn't perfect for everyone, so it might take some getting used to. How does it stack up against the competition? For Canon users with existing lenses, this is a solid upgrade. But against competitors like the Nikon Z9, it's missing features like ProRes support and Nikon's frequent firmware updates. At the end of the day, the EOS R5 Mark II is an awesome high-resolution upgrade for Canon shooters looking for speed, sharpness, and top-tier performance. But is it the right camera for you? Number 2. Nikon Z9. Let's dive into one of the most exciting innovations in the photography world, the Nikon Z9. This incredible 45.7-megapixel full-frame professional mirrorless camera isn't just a showcase of Nikon's bold approach, but also a major step forward in the industry. Since its release, the Z9 has quickly become a must-have tool for professional photographers and videographers. Why? because this beast supports 8K video recording and is equipped with a fast read sensor, making it one of the top players in the game. Its goal is crystal clear: push the boundaries in both photography and video. So what makes this camera so special? First off, it's the first Nikon camera to completely ditch the mechanical shutter. That means no matter how fast the action, the Z9 will never let you down. In the ever-evolving world of video, this is Nikon's boldest move yet. If you're into high-speed shots, capturing every moment and making sure every detail is crisp and clear, the Z9 is the camera for you. Whether it's for photo or video, it's built to perform in even the toughest conditions. Nikon is shaping the future of photography with this game-changing shift toward mirrorless technology. So if you're a photographer or videographer chasing speed and perfection, the Z9's got what you need. Number 1. Sony A1, a camera revolution at the top of technology. The Sony A1 is one of the first names that comes to mind when you think of flexibility in the world of photography. This camera is a rare mix of speed, incredible resolution, and 8K video capabilities. In short, it's the best mirrorless camera on the market and Sony's flagship, aiming to dominate the scene. Even if the price tag is as high as a car, this camera shines like a star. If you're thinking about buying a camera, the A1's biggest selling point is probably that it's the most versatile professional camera ever made. But here's the thing, it doesn't just stop at photography. The Sony A1 excels equally at shooting in studios, covering professional sports events, capturing celebrities, snapping wildlife shots in the wild, and even filming on Hollywood movie sets. Picture this, a camera that nails everything: photography, video, speed, resolution, you name it. That's exactly what the Sony A1 delivers. It's a true tech marvel, packed with everything a pro needs, adaptable to any situation, and capturing it all perfectly. If you're pushing the limits of your visuals and videos, this camera will truly give you everything you need.